Let me show you how to make this ginger lemon wellness shot using just a blender, okay? So I used 2 lemons, 1 orange, 1 mandarin and some ginger. We are also going to be adding some turmeric and black pepper when we are done blending, okay? These ginger wellness shots have so many health benefits, okay? Oranges, mandarins and lemons contain vitamin C, which is a great immune booster, okay? Ginger and turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, okay? I wouldn't say I drink these ginger lemon shots every other morning or every single morning, okay? But I usually don't wait until I have a full-blown flu or cold before I drink it, okay? I normally make these ginger shots in small batches and store them in ice trays, okay? And I usually drink it in the morning when I have that very first symptom of sore throat or itchy throat, okay? I also make some for my husband and my kids to drink, especially if they have cold, cough, or flu-like symptoms. And this really works, okay? You can store your ginger wellness shots in airtight container and refrigerate them, or like I mentioned before, I also store my ginger wellness shots in ice trays and freeze them. Okay, they come in really handy for whenever someone has a cough, cold, or flu-like symptoms. Okay, so if you're going to store it in ice tray, you can just bring it out, defrost it, and drink it on its own, or you can just add hot water and some honey and then drink it. Okay, I also have some homemade juice recipes to share with you, and you can click the link in my description box to download my free 3-ingredient juice recipes. Okay, I'll also pin the link in the comments, or you can simply click the link at the top of my channel description to access the free juice recipes. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.